My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Today we've got some massive releases, the Jordan 1 UNCs. This is extremely important. We need as many of these as we possibly can get. I got two? Got one. Oh my gosh, dude. Got the other one. These look sick. We have some dunks that are going to be dropping today. Failed out of stock. Oh, I got one. What a beautiful shoe. Coming up this week, we have more dunks and we have Yeezy 700s. We haven't figured out 100% if my information is truly unbanned on Yeezy supply. Whether it is or it isn't, we're going to find out on the next episode. A lot of dunks are going to be dropping today. I'm not going to lie, I'm not really that prepared. Footsites is always doing something weird in terms of their anti-bot, where their anti-bots almost always makes it so that it's a bot-only release rather than actually helping manual users. Therefore, I'm not really expecting too much. So I'll just be running what I've set up for and we'll see if I get anything. That drop was absolutely terrible for me. I didn't even manage to get a single checkout. That absolutely sucked. And I have to admit, botting in general is just getting very difficult. Footsites definitely isn't what it used to be. It almost seems as if they're trying their absolute best to not let anybody purchase from their website. And I'm not sure if they think these countermeasures are helping manual users, which they are absolutely not. But yeah, just a bad release, I guess, for me. So that basically means I need to get better at the other platforms. Can't just really depend on Footsites. I feel like I'm hitting my stride on Shopify again. It's just that the amount of stock that they had was very low for this one. Anyways, we did get two shoes in the mail today, Midnight Navy from a restock and the UNCs. Yesterday I copped a couple of Jordan 1 silver toe restocks, so I am pretty happy about that. In other news, I took an L today on the dunks. I was doing a lot of experimentation with my Nike sneakers jigging, and I totally forgot to consider the fact that there is a 35 character count limit for your address line one. So yeah, I will be fixing that today. Also today, there is some speculation that Supreme Air Force Ones are going to be restocked. So I'm going to go ahead and finalize my setup. Hopefully they do drop because I do want a chance to get some more of these. Oh my god, it dropped. What happened here? Don't tell me I'm banned on local. Submitting payment, come on. Bro. Alright, apparently that restock was tiny and I didn't get any 1 clicks on Toru, unfortunately. I don't know what happened to my local tasks on Supreme. If it went faster, maybe I would have had a chance, but nah, I didn't have a chance. It is all good. The drop that I really do want to hit though, and that I actually do care about, is the drop tomorrow, which are Yeezy 700s. If I don't hit on that one, then I'm actually gonna be proper upset, but it happens. Let's just hope for the best. Alright, so today is the day. I have a bad feeling about Yeezy supply, so I need to be on point on Shopify. Nevertheless, we need to get as many of these as possible. Let's do it. bother with that. Yes. Yo, I'm such an idiot. I looked up the song and like I knew the song, bro. It's just the way I was reading it. It just was not happening the way I was reading it. But yeah, that's a legendary song, Can't Tell Me Nothing by Kanye West. I would play it, but obviously don't want to get copyright strike. I'm wondering if I should just restart the bot. Oh, I got one on Prism. What the f? Alright, so I ended off the day with 2 so far. Basically, Shop Nice kicks did not end up dropping, or honestly, I don't know what they're doing. They're supposed to be dropping. They're probably going to end up shock dropping it at some point, which I am most likely going to miss. 2 is definitely better than none, but I would be lying if I said I wasn't disappointed in myself for this drop. Good thing that I can take away from this though is that my address is definitely not banned anymore, being that I was able to cop one from Yeezy Supply. So for future releases, hopefully I'm a bit more prepared and know more what I'm doing. It has been a while since I hit on that platform, and it definitely had something to do with my profiles. A few days before this release, I started to really optimize my profiles to try and ensure that it will not get filtered out by Nike, and it definitely did end up working.